So they do not tell you. I feel like, well, maybe they told you, but they did not tell me. They don't tell you that swollen fingers is a big part of like pregnancy. So I literally started growing out of my wedding ring like ASAP. Like it was like literally that fast that I grew out of my wedding ring, and it was hurting. I was having like red marks and everything. But you may be looking at me right now like, wait, but why are you wearing a wedding ring? Like, because it looks so real, it looks so beautiful, right? So this actually is a ring from Modern Gents, and they are really good ring company. They actually I wear it like this is, I've been wearing it, look at all my pictures. I've actually wore it for about 3 weeks. I haven't gotten any sort of like rust. It's copper free, so it doesn't give you any like you know, green, like when you wear like jewelry that's not real. It didn't give me any sort of like green marks or anything like that. So I've been wearing this ring, and actually it's a size 9, guys. Like my ring size has gone completely up since I've been pregnant. I feel like my fingers are actually still growing, because when I got it, it was a little too big for me, and now it literally fits perfect. But this is how like my fingers look. They don't look that big to me, so, but you know, like the ring is just, it slides right on. And they literally don't have, for what I see, anything over like $100. And if you are experiencing any swollen fingers, or if you're going to experience swollen fingers, or you just want like a replacement ring, this is a really good replacement. But swollen fingers is something that I did not know existed, but luckily I found them, and they have been a lifesaver for me, because I don't like to go places without a ring on, because like, if you're a wife and you're married, you know, like when you don't have a ring on and you look cute, guys be trying to come at you, and it's just, no, you know, you don't want to have to explain like, hey guys, like I'm married, I'm just also pregnant. So you don't have to explain that. You just want to have a ring on, you know, whatever. Me, that's my preference. I want a ring throughout my pregnancy, even if it's not my actual wedding ring, because I just like to wear it. So this has really just been, I don't know, so beautiful look. But also on my Instagram, I also posted this ring, and a lot of people liked it. So, and also follow them on Instagram, because they do have really pretty rings. They also have necklaces, bracelets, etc.